providing safe, affordable housing for West Virginians. It's our charge and our mission at the West Virginia Housing Development Fund. Housing is not just about bricks and mortar. To us, it's personal. What we do touches many lives and in many ways you wouldn't expect. The Low Income Assisted Mortgage Program helps Habitat for Humanity grow their capacity and create more housing opportunities for more people. People like Teresa Mackey.
It was a struggle for us to be able to keep up with not only the rent, but the utilities in the apartment that we were living in.
Habitat for Humanity works to bring people out of bad housing situations into homes that are decent and affordable.
West Virginia Housing Development Fund has helped me and other homeowners like me become homeowners by partnering with Habitat for Humanity.
The fund's Low Income Assisted Mortgage Program, or LAMP, has helped us by buying 25 or 30 of our mortgages here in this area. We are able to build more homes per year because we recoup our investment more quickly rather than waiting for homeowner payments to come in over 20 years. We're both here to help West Virginians find safe, decent, affordable housing.